Hey foodies, and welcome back to Cooking with Mariam, and today I am sharing with you a highly requested recipe, which is my Mediterranean style stuffed chicken. This is actually my third recipe for my air fryer series, and I can't wait to show you how easy this recipe is to make, so let's get to it. So in this recipe we're going to start off doing the stuffing for the chicken. So the stuffing is made up from some baby spinach, which I've just rinsed in some hot water, and then I've added half a cube of feta cheese, and I'm just crumbling it together with a fork. So I'm just going to use my fork to break up the feta and to mix it all together with the spinach. Okay, so the next step is to prepare our chicken. I've got my rinsed chicken here. I've just rinsed it in some water and then I've rinsed it in some vinegar just to take away the chickeny smell. And I'm just going to cut my chicken breast in half, and then I'm going to slit it in the middle to make like an opening, so like a pocket, and that's where our stuffing is going to go. Okay, so now our chicken is ready. I am going to start on our marinade for our chicken. So in a bowl, I've just added some olive oil. So I've put about a tablespoon of olive oil, and I've added some ginger garlic paste, so a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste into that. I'm just going to mix that in. I'm then going to add in some fresh coriander and some fresh mint, which I've just blitzed in a blender. And then I am going to add in some lemon juice. So I've just put about a tablespoon of lemon juice to give it a nice tangy taste. I'm then going to add in a dash of fenugreek leaves, and then I'm going to just mix that in well with the rest of the ingredients, just like that. I'm then going to add in some coriander and cumin powder, so about a teaspoon of that, and then about a teaspoon of some Kashmiri red chilli powder. This is just to give it a bit of a kick. If you don't like spice, then obviously you can skip that step. And then lastly, I've got a blend of pomegranate and some Turkish red chilli powder, so I'm just adding that in to give it a really nice taste. And I'm just going to mix that all in together. So now that our marinade is ready, it's time to put the three things together. So we're going to start off by getting our marinade, and we're going to put our chicken breast in there. I'm just using a spatula to make it really easy, and I'm just going to coat my chicken fully in the marinade, and then I'm going to take it out and place it into my air fryer flat. Now you can see the opening is still there. We're going to use that, and we're going to stuff our spinach and our feta mixture into that opening. So you're going to like stuff it, it doesn't matter how much you put, so I've just put enough to fill that one in. And then we are going to get some toothpicks, and we're going to seal our chicken. So we're going to fold it together to fold it in. So it's just like a sandwich basically. We're just going to fold it in together, and then we're going to use some toothpicks. So I used quite a lot. I actually used about 4 or 5 in each chicken breast, and it's just to secure it in place. Obviously before eating you'll remove them, but it's just to secure it in place, so it's like sandwiched. The feta and the spinach is sandwiched in between the 2 layers of chicken. So literally that's it. I'm just going to carry on and do the others really quickly, and then I'm going to show you the next step. So I had a bit of leftover marinade left, so I thought let me just put some potatoes in there. So I chopped a few potatoes, boiled them, and I've added them into the marinade, and a few courgettes, and I'm just going to add that into the extra spaces of the air fryer. And any marinade that is left over, I'm just coating my chicken in it before we air fry our chicken. So now that everything is ready, I'm going to turn on my air fryer and cook the chicken and the veggies for 20 to 25 minutes. And halfway I'm just going to turn over my chicken to make sure that it's cooked all over properly. And there we have it, our Mediterranean style stuffed chicken. As you can see, the feta cheese has become really nice and creamy. It's a really nice dish and super easy to make, and it really goes well with the veggies. Literally, it's such an easy meal. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and please comment your thoughts below. Thank you.